Hi there, my name is Megan. I'm a cultural attaché at U.S. Embassy Algiers. I'm here today. We're doing a program with World Learning. It's a grants writing boot camp.
Hi, my name is Aziza El Kolei. I am the Education Program Director at World Learning, and I am the one who oversaw the implementation of the grant writing program. With the help from the U.S. Embassy, World Learning implemented a project to help community activists design, write, and manage successful grant proposals.
So we're reaching out to different individuals who have an idea for a program or a project that they're passionate about. People who want to make a difference in Algeria. So we're going through and teaching them what the embassy looks for in different grant proposals. And if this sounds like something that you're interested in, the embassy has an annual program statement that's open year-round where you can submit your idea for a grant or a project. So if you have an idea that you want us to fund, you can submit your application year-round to our application statement.
This project was divided into 3 phases. During the first phase, we delivered several orientation sessions to introduce the online grant writing course and also share essentials of grant writing with our participants. Then, interested participants were given access to the self-paced online course to select modules they needed to develop their grant writing skills.
So from this program specifically, we are excited to see these participants launch their projects and really hit the ground running. So after this boot camp, I expect to see these participants go back, refine, continue to write out their proposal for what they want to get funding for what project they want to implement. They'll apply for that with the U.S. Embassy, and then they'll make their project a reality. They'll get into that nitty-gritty work of really making a project or proposal happen. So to give you some advice, the U.S. Embassy would love to get in touch with you if you have an idea that you are passionate about, that you want to implement. You can apply for grant funding from the U.S. Embassy year-round, and we would love to work with you to make your idea happen. Please reach out to us and get in touch.